What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about East-West Credit Card Multiple Payment Fee. Pag-uusapan natin guys kung paano nga ba magkakaroon or ano yung mga dahilan at nagkakaroon ka ng multiple payment fee sa East-West Credit Card ninyo. Kasi si East-West Credit Card guys is may certain payment times lang. What I mean is kapag ilang beses ka na nagbayad tapos lumagpas ka doon, magkakaroon ka na ng multiple payment fee. Kaya naman, it's a good idea na bayaran nyo na ng buo yung statement balance ninyo sa East-West Credit Card ninyo para maiwasan ninyo yung multiple payment fee. At saka, hindi lang yon. Pag-uusapan din natin guys, yung late payment fee at saka yung over limit fee. Kasi, maraming terms and conditions si East-West Credit Card. Kaya naman, para maging aware kayo, hindi kayo nagugulat bakit may mga charges kayong ganyan, i-share ko sa inyo para maiwasan ninyo. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong isi-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys here, East-West Bank charges a PHP 50 multiple payment fee for each credit card payment transaction posted after the third payment within one statement cycle. So as you can see guys here, third payment. So after statement cycle. So sa isang statement of account na generated, kumbaga, di ba pinadala yung statement of account ninyo. Ngayon, halimbawa, 3 beses nyo siya binayaran, hindi pa covered ng 50 pesos multiple payment fee yun. Tapos, ang ginawa mo, nagbayad ka ulit, pang-apat na, so may 50 pesos na magre-reflect doon as multiple payment fee. Tapos nagbayad ka ulit, nagbayad ka ulit, nagbayad ka ulit. Kaya naman guys, ang dapat nyong gawin, wag nyong uugaliin na pagka-swipe ninyo ng credit card ninyo, babayaran nyo agad. Wag ganon. Antayin ninyo yung statement of account at tignan ninyo yung statement balance kung magkano lahat-lahat. At saka yun na yung pagbabayad ninyo. Wag nyong uugaliin na pagka-swipe ninyo, pagdating ng bahay, pagka-uwi ninyo, babayaran nyo. Wag nyong gagawin yun kasi nagcha-charge si East-West Bank ng multiple payment fee. May mga nakikita kasi ako ang dami-daming multiple payment fee. Kasi yung ginawa niya is bawat swipe niya, pagka-uwi niya ng bahay, babayaran niya agad. Kasi ayaw niya daw ng utang. So, hindi siya aware ng terms and conditions ni East-West Credit Card in using their facility or their credit card services. Kaya naman dapat aware kayo doon, guys. If made through non-East-West channels, payments made directly through East-West channels like their app or website are free. So, plan your payments or consolidate them to avoid this fee. So, as you can see, guys, naman, no, payment made directly through East-West channels like their app or website are free. So, ibig sabihin, walang multiple payment fee doon using their East-West facilities, no? Kung paano ka magbayad, kung doon ka magbabayad gamit yung ano nila. Pero kung ibang channel like ibang bangko, e-wallets, yun ang magkakaroon kayo ng multiple payment fee para at least maging aware kayo. But to make sure guys, wag nyo nang gagawin yun. Antayin nyo na lang yung statement of account to saka nyo na bayaran kahit hindi nyo na antayin yung due date. Like for example, dumating na yung statement of account. So bayaran nyo na agad kahit kinabukasan, basta wag lang kayo magbabayad after nyo iswipe, tapos bayaran nyo agad kung magkano yung sinwipe ninyo. Kasi magkakaroon talaga kayo ng multiple payment fee. So, key details. Fee amount is 50 pesos per extra payment tulad ng sabi ko kapag lumagpas ng 3 beses kayo nagbayad. Then limit is you get 3 payments per cycle. Sinasabing per cycle dito is per statement date. In short, per month. Trigger. The fee applies to payments beyond the third one in a statement period. So, tulad ng diniscuss ko kanina, pangatlo, pang-apat. So, third one, beyond third one nakalagay. Ibig sabihin, okay pa yung pangatlo, free pa yon. Pag lumagpas, yun, matcha-charge na kayo ng multiple payment fee. O kung marami kayong ginawang ganon na pagka-swipe ninyo, binayaran nyo, kaya tatagta rin talaga kayo ng multiple payment fee. Exemption is no fee if you pay via East-West own payment platform. So, okay naman to kapag gamit yung East-West easy way. So, kapag affiliated siya sa East-West, walang multiple payment fee. But, to make sure na okay yung ano nyo, cash flow, I mean yung records niyo, antayin nyo na lang kasi since ganun yung service or feature or purpose ng credit card, no, antayin nyo yung statement of account ninyo. Huwag na huwag nyo lang gagastusin yung perang pambayad para at least hindi kayo magka-problema ng pambayad pagdating ng due date. To avoid fees, make sure your payments directly through the East West website or app para maiwasan nyo yung ganon. Kung gusto nyo na ganon talaga, kung mapilit talaga kayo. Pero I advise na antayin nyo lang talaga yung statement of account. Pay your bill in full once before due date. So, eto, antayin nyo talaga yung statement of account. Huwag na yung due date, guys. Kasi kapag inantay nyo rin yung due date, magkakaroon naman kayo ng late payment fees. Kaya naman, siguro aware naman kayo, tignan niyo yung payment due date. So, before pa yung payment due date nyo, bayaran nyo na. Kahit kakarating pa lang ng statement of account niyo, after 2 days or 3 days or kahit kinabukasan, bayaran nyo na agad, okay na okay lang yon. Basta wag lang maglalagpas sa due date kasi magkakaroon pa rin kayo ng late payment charge. Then ngayon, ito yung late payment charge, guys, pag-usapan natin. So as you can see, guys, late payment charge, 1,500 or the unpaid minimum payment due, whichever is lower. So nag-gets nyo ba? Ano ba ibig sabihin ng whichever is lower? So as you can see, guys, here, 1,500 or the unpaid minimum amount payment due, whichever is lower. Halimbawa, yung minimum amount due nyo, guys, is lumagpas ng 1,500. So, yung masusunod is yung 1,500, whichever is lower, di ba? Ngayon, kung mababa sa 1,500, yung minimum amount due nyo, siguro aware naman kayo kung ano yung minimum amount due, di ba? Yun yung masusunod. Like, for example, 900 lang. So, 900 lang yung babayaran nyo. 900 lang yung magiging late payment charge. Pero kung lumagpas ng 1,500 yung minimum amount due, 1,500 yung magiging late payment charge. Kaya naman dapat aware kayo doon if you are using East-West credit cards. So as you can see, guys, here, over credit limit fee. So ngayon, let's talk about over credit limit fee sa East-West credit card. So magkano nga ba yung over limit fee? As you can see, guys, 500 pesos when your outstanding balance exceeds the prescribed credit limit within the billing period. So as you can see, within the billing period. So kapag lumagpas yung pag-swipe ninyo, nag-enjoy ka masyado, kakabili, alam mo yun, lumagpas sa kung magkano lang yung available credit limit ninyo, i-charge kayo ng 500 pesos within billing period. Kapag naubos nyo yun. Tapos ganun pa naman, next naman billing period, ganun naman ulit, 500 ulit yun. So, yun yung mga dapat yung tandaan in using East-West credit cards. Para hindi kayo nagugulat, bakit nagkaroon ako ng charges na ganito, hindi ko naman ito ginawa. Tulad sa multiple payment fee, kung ugali nyo talaga na pagka-swipe ninyo, babayaran nyo agad. O kung ilang beses kayo nag-swipe, ganoon din kayo ilang beses nagbayad. Tapos yung ginamit nyo pa is hindi yung East-West Easyway or East-West Easyway, yung mga affiliated payment platform. So, hindi free yon. So, dapat yung gawin, antayin nyo lang talaga yung statement of account sa kanyang bayaran. Have discipline when it comes to using your credit cards. Wag na wag nyo i-overuse kasi pag hindi nyo na rin nabayaran, magkakaroon ng mga penalties yan. Pag nakalimutan nyo yung due date, make sure na hindi nyo makalimutan yung due date kasi importante din yun. Late payment fee will happen. Kaya naman, yun. Tapos wag na wag nyo rin kayo malalagpas sa credit limit kasi may over limit fee si East-West. So I think that's all for now sa namin na i-share ko. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!